Hey everybody, my name is Leigh Goldstein. I'm the trading director at 10 Minute Trades. And I want to tell you about a great way of trading that we have perfected. So we do something called trading earnings with futures. So every quarter, big tech companies like Apple and Amazon, Facebook, Meta, they come out with their earnings, and we devised a fantastic way to trade those stock earnings using futures on the Ninja Trader platform, using our software, the JOBB version 10, soon to be version 11 software. So we teach our members in our trade room how to trade stock earnings using futures. Follow me here. That's a very unique way to trade. We're not actually trading the stock. We're using the NQ futures or the Y, the mini Dow futures, and we're teaching our members this very unique, easy way to trade earnings every quarter. And there's a lot of these trades. It's not just limited to the tech companies. We have retailers that we trade, like Home Depot, Walmart, and Target. Any company that has stock price that moves the futures markets, we're looking for those earnings setups to trade, and we teach our members how to do it. It's a great way to get involved with earnings, but not using stocks, because if you don't trade options, and we're not talking options here, if you don't trade options, it's very expensive to trade earnings with the actual stocks because of the rules that are existing in the stock market with your broker. But if you want to trade futures on the stock earnings, you need a lot less money in your account. You can get involved for significantly less amount of capital to do that type of trading. So here at 10 Minute Trades, you may want to check us out. Our website is 10minutetrades.com. And like I said, we've designed this very unique method of trading stock earnings using futures. Every quarter, we have about 20 to 25 of these trades, and many of them have been tremendously profitable for us over the years, as we've been doing this now for quite a few years in our trade room. So check us out, 10minutetrades.com. We want to teach you all the various methods that we use. We make an appointment with the market and we take a trade. Leigh Goldstein here. I'd love to see you on the inside in our trade room with the rest of our members.